Okay, the freezing cold temperatures have now passed our area and it's getting back in the 70s with 50s at night, some 40s. So it's time to take all my covering that I had off, my plants and my trees, to let them experience all the beautiful sunny weather that we're having now. And more rain to come. Had opened up my greenhouse, pulled a little windows back up, rolled up all the plastic. Everything in here survived the freezing temperatures that we had last week. Okay. Looking great, looking great. Yeah, I come in here and give you guys a good watering. Okay. Hopefully everybody made out all right. Lemon tree, I end up harvesting. My daughter did for me. She harvested all the lemons that I had on here. Make sure they didn't freeze. So hopefully we'll get some more to grow for us on our lemon tree. Okay. My onions are growing up beautiful. Next time I gotta cover them up. I found out that they could get stunk by the freezing temperatures too. So next time I cover them up. But hopefully they're all right. Okay, my tree. These little bags I got off of Temu, they came in pretty handy. Zip up bags, they cover them up good. Okay, let me get busy uncovering everything and letting them enjoy the beautiful sunny weather now that we're having. Okay, everything is uncovered from the frost covers over it. And they're looking good. Look at the mustard green, still looking good there. Lettuce over here looking good. Curly kale looking good. This is my spinach. Got some more kale over there. Everything looking good. Y'all survived the freezing cold. Big Mama's garden made out all right. Let's go take a walk around, look at everything. Look over here. I still have some bell peppers growing. I see some of the leaves that got kind of burnt, froze off a little bit. I just have to pull those off. Let's see if we're gonna still have some more peppers to grow. Look at here, another bell pepper right here. Okay, y'all looking good, peppers. Y'all made out all right. Okay, look at this big one here hanging on there. Okay, okay, bell peppers, y'all did good. Enjoy this sunny weather on you guys now. Onions looking all right over here. Still have one okra way up at the top. Over here, some more peppers that survived the cold. Taking off a lot of these dead leaves on you though. Jalapeno peppers, look at y'all. Okay, okay. I kind of got frost bit there. But look down here, some growing over here. Look at that big one still hanging on. Okay. Okay, jalapeno peppers. Asparagus bed, I need to go ahead and clean it out and get it ready for the spring. Lavender still growing here. And look here, eggplants. Y'all leaves died off, but you still holding on to some eggplant there. Look at you guys. A lot of dead leaves, but eggplant, y'all still trying to grow. Y'all survived the cold weather. Over here, my green collard greens held up pretty good. Come on, collard greens, y'all gotta grow a little better over here in this bed. Over here, my cabbage look beautiful. Y'all made out all right. Oh yes, look at this beautiful cabbage bed. Yes. Beautiful cabbage. Over here, some more collard greens over here. Come on, collard greens. Onions looking good here. An apple tree and a pomegranate tree here made out all right. Y'all enjoyed that cover around y'all. Your beautiful green leaves still hanging in there. Got some broccoli over in this bed. Come on, broccoli. Grow for us. Some more broccoli over here. Looking good. This squash right there, I don't think you're gonna make it. See some flowers still blooming there, but I haven't seen any squash come up yet. This one over here, this squash, like it's died out. You just have to just pull it up. The broccoli, y'all looking good. Come on, broccoli. Let's check on the greenhouse. Y'all made out all right. Get here. Got some carrots growing there along with my Brussels sprouts. Let's see if I see anything coming with the Brussels sprouts. Okay, Brussels sprouts. Come on, Brussels sprouts. Grow for us. I don't know what's happening over here with my collard green bed over here. They kind of got, before I had put the greenhouse over them, they kind of got burnt out, frozen. Got some freezer burns on them. Come on, collard greens, grow for us. Over here in my elevated raised bed, I see a little germination. I know I see a lot of the onions that I grew planted over here. And I had put some more broccoli over in here, but I don't see germination of broccoli. Not yet. Come on. That may be you right there. I'm not sure. But I see my onions coming over here. Okay, over here in this greenhouse, I see some more cabbage looking good. Okay, cabbage. See another, I don't know if that's, I think that may be another Brussels sprout I put over here with these cabbage. Looking good, cabbage. Let's see over here. This is my broccoli. I got some carrots back there. Come on, broccoli. I want some of them heads on there for me. Come on. And look at here, this the bell pepper plant held up. I see some, look at that, a bell pepper on there. Still, yeah, I see it. Okay, still hanging in here. And here's some more broccoli over here growing. Come on, broccoli. Can't wait to see the beautiful heads forming on you guys. Okay. Greenhouse, you're looking good.